Okay, so hello everyone. Tell me which campus are you all from?
भुवनेश्वर पे किसका हाथ? जय जगन्नाथ, जय जगन्नाथ.
Okay, so how exciting has been your experience of Converge 23 till now?
It was very exciting and we enjoyed a lot. We have good company with our seniors, our juniors, so we have enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, it's all in all, it's a very good experience.
After all, we all are Riftian. We
Yeah,
enjoyed each
so
other.
knowing each other and knowing the other campus Niftians is a very good experience.
Meeting all campus in a single campus is a great experience.
And fighting all together, competing with each other, it's great experience.
So has the faculty, other SDACs and administration, have they been listening to you? Have they been cooperative?
They have to, this is how NIFTs work. They cannot ignore us. We are not ignorant. If no one is not listening.
They are really listening to us.
Yeah,
Each and every issue of us has been solved by them. It's really good management.
They know
really
us.
appreciate that.
They teach us. So they know us. If they ignore us, what? We are very,
Sir,
So
if we are a fall, we have all. They teach us. If they are fall, we are telling them, and they are also cooperative with
yeah,
us. So
they
it's good.
are very cooperative.
So what impressions are you taking away about Bihar on your way back?
We are seeing here in Patna is totally two different things. There are lots of rumors that are in Bihar, but it's really good and sweet state. They are good people. They have good culture. They have good food, good climate as well.
The people are very open here. They are very sweet. They don't have any grudge or anything on you. They like to talk to you. They like to know what we are doing here. I've talked to a lot of people here. Like they're interested in us. Like where are we from?
They have accepted the place is very cultural. I like to experience everything there. The dance and everything which they showed, the NIF Patna campus showed. It was too inspiring for us. We all enjoyed it a lot.
So did you get any time to go out into the city and explore anything? You found the time?
For that, we have a whole day tomorrow for that, especially to roam around Bihar. We will complete this.
Yeah, that's maybe because your train may be leaving late at night tomorrow. What about others who leave in the afternoon time? They will not get to see anything. Yeah.
They might have roamed around at night.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
So, from which campus are you and what is your name?
Yeah, I am Dr. Sood. I am Dr. Sameer Sood, Director NIFT Gandhinagar. I am from Gandhinagar campus from Gujarat.
How exciting has been your experience of Converge 2023?
Basically, it is an event, as you would know, that all the 18 campuses they participate, and it is an event wherein all the 18 campuses they gel together. It is super exciting for students also, for faculty also, and for directors also.
Have the faculties and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Yes, everything in Patna is awesome, very good, and all the thanks to Colonel Rahul.
How have you found of the playbook for Converge 2023?
The playbook was really very good, and it was a very unique concept which was brought in by Colonel Rahul, and in fact it is the first time this playbook has been released for the Converge.
Any suggestion for Converge 2024?
2024 has to be better than 2023. That is the only suggestion.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Please tell us your name and campus.
Okay, I am Gunjal. I am from the Chennai campus. I am Anorima Pandit. I am also from Chennai campus.
Okay. How exciting has been your experience of Converge 2023?
It was very exciting. We are on our third day today and I think the energy is pretty cool. I am in my final year, so this was like my end year goal to come here. So I think I have accomplished that, and it's a great way to end the 2023 here.
Okay. Have the faculties and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Oh yeah, they have been. I special mention to Karishma, the Chennai campus volunteer. You were amazing with us. Thank you.
How have you found the playbook for Converge 2023?
I think the rules were pretty clear. There was no ambiguity for the participants to find any loopholes. So yeah, pretty good job at it. Also with that, the layouting was really nice. I liked it since we are studying that. So I like the layouting and how they have described the concept of sparrows and how they have come for the logo. That was really interesting to look into.
Okay. Any suggestion for Converge 2024?
I mean, less clash of events, I guess. I've been running around. I'm only having like 15 minutes for every event, and more than that, I think my suggestion will be please allow me next year also. Yeah, we need a semester 9 just for Converge.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Please tell us your campus name.
Mumbai.
Please tell us your slogan.
मुंबईच्या मस्तीची आली रे मस्ती हा 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 दम रे पाव लगे चीज नहीं सस्ती हा 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 जीतेंगे जंग पटोली के संग मेरे मन की उड़ान भरे भगवा का रंग ओए भगवा का रंग ओए भगवा का रंग हे
Very energetic. Okay. How exciting has been your experience of Converge 2023?
It has been very exciting. So a few of us are in 4th year and this is probably going to be our last Converge. So it has been really memorable so far, and the Patna campus has done really good arrangements when it comes to the entire setup for every event, the timings, the volunteering, all of it, and we are really having fun.
Have the faculties and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, they tried their best. They've tried to resolve every issue we have had and arrange every prop we wanted, even at the last minute.
Nothing can ever be flawless. So they are approachable and they are listening to us, and I think that makes sense.
How have you found the playbook of Converge 2024? 23?
Descriptive,
It's very detailed and we did not expect such a detailed playbook for the events.
Yes, and many new events have also been introduced. So the brief was also given, delivered right.
They are really nice. Yeah, it's interesting.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Please tell us your name and campus.
I'm Anarsha Rai from NIFT Shillong.
How exciting has been your experience for Converge 2023?
This was my first time, so it was very new and I got to meet a lot of people. It was fun.
Have the faculties and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Yeah, actually they're like very kind. Like they always have a solution for whatever problems you're facing. So it's nice.
Any suggestion for Converge 2024?
This time the most common problem we all were facing, like there was multiple events simultaneously. I think that could be fixed next time. So.
Then we can have 4 days of Converge, right?
Yeah, that would be better.
Tell us your name and campus.
Hemant Kumar from NIFT Bhubaneswar campus, and we have been here from I think 2-3 days back, and we are enjoying all the events here. जितनी भी प्रतियोगिताएं हो रही हैं सब बच्चे अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. हालांकि थोड़ी छिटपुट वो चीज़ें हमारे गेम है, ये तो ऑन रहेगा ही हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स का. और जिस एटमॉस्फेयर के हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वो आज मिला हमें. एक्चुअली इस चीज़ को एक्सपेक्ट करके हम लोग आ रहे थे.
Yes, sir. How exciting has been your experience of Converge 2023?
Since I am a Niftian and I could not participate in earlier Converge during my time, this is my first Converge, even as SDEC as well as you can say Niftian as well. I have been enjoying it here a lot.
Thank you, sir. Have the faculties and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Throughout the journey, right from before reaching to the venue, the faculties here over here at Patna are well approaching. Any communication emails, it is heard every time.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Please tell us your campus name and your name too.
Vaishnavi NIFT Delhi. Prajanya NIFT Delhi.
Ankesh NIFT Delhi.
So, please tell us your experience of Converge 2023.
So the exciting part was day 3, of course, because that was our main event, Nukkad Natak. But the entire part, the cultural parade and everything was very nice. And yeah, because we are not a state and we were supposed to do something state, so exciting. And it's new and exciting events is nice. Yeah.
और हर जगह इतने सारे लोग, इतने सारे हर जगह से आए हुए लोग. It's very interesting to see all of you there.
Love talking to people. Love talking to people. You are meeting people you met last Converge after. Yeah, and we're clutching. Okay, last Converge में मिले थे. Okay, we saw this person there, so it was exciting.
Have the faculty and administration been welcoming, helpful and coordinated?
Yeah, sure. They're
some issues are popping up now and then, but they're right there to help with it. And even today, with because the events are clashing, so the slot giving thing, they're right there to.
So there's a good level of transparency. Like the results are updated right now, so it's nice. It's really nice.
Or it's obviously if a big event is going on and 900 students are there, so it's maybe clash of the events and the coordinators are also not be there on the event. So it's a good event. We're enjoying a lot.
How have you found the playbook of Converse 2023?
Oh, it's very good. It's very good.
Kafi disruptive, nothing confusing.
Easy to refer.
Easy to refer.
I started. It's still in my start message in the WhatsApp, and I'm like, okay, let's go through it. What of the night and everything.
I really feel कि when it appears, तो ऐसा लगा कि मैं खुद बिहार से हूँ, तो मुझे लगा कि क्या अच्छा थीम रखा है. It's a very nice theme. I loved it.
Also, that parade, they had that whole vast, whole thing. That like, okay, nice.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Please tell us your name and campus.
I am Dhriti from New Delhi.
I'm Sana from New Delhi.
Okay. How exciting has been your experience of Converse 2023?
Very exciting. It's been amazing till now.
It's been really good, really fun, and also very competitive.
Very competitive.
Faculties and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative.
Yes. Till now we've experienced good things.
Yeah. They've been pretty good with us.
So, have you tried litti chokha or any other local cuisine?
We tried litti chokha.
We got litti chokha first day.
कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया.
That is really well designed, well structured and timely sent to all the campuses. So the entire team needs to be applauded for their efforts.
Yeah, I really like how the dot transform into the various colors of the different campuses they have assigned. Yeah, so it's very nice to see such graphic designing work with like proper a kind of creative content, like very good effort on that.
Any suggestion for Converse 2024?
Yeah, so thankfully we'll know today that who would be the next campus. So we would definitely, of course there are ups and downs and nobody can be 100% perfect, but everybody is doing their best here. So whatever we take from here, the next campus would always work on it and make it a better seamless experience.
I think when it's a lot of campuses coming to one campus and the host campus has to provide all the facilities to other people and a smooth functioning, definitely there would be some problems for and I can understand if Patna is like working too hard to get things on a right track. So yeah, it's nice, and all the best to the next campus, whoever will be doing the hosting next season.
What impression of Bihar are you taking away from you?
See, we haven't got much time. We just landed and we've been commuting between our hotel and the places, the venues. So whatever time we get after the event, we are really excited. We've been asking, of course, like Jharcraft and the other brands, those are partnering with Bihar. So we've got to know about the Bihar Museum that we would be visiting for sure at the riverfront. So we've gathered so much information and we are really excited. So Patna Sahib Gurdwara. So tomorrow whenever we get time after we finish the events and our students settle down, we'll definitely be visiting.
Yeah, we have done our itinerary after this event. We have planned everything, but definitely we are looking forward to what is more, to explore in the city. Food, yes, also. So yeah. So we'll be looking forward to it.
Have you tried litti chokha?
That is in
our list. The most priority. So we are doing that.
We're just waiting
for the event to get
time,
over.
Yes, when we'll be free and we'll go try all the delicacies that are here.
Okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So please tell us your name and campus.
Yeah, I am Dr. Amandeep Singh Grover. I am Director NIFT Panchkula.
How exciting has been your experience of Converse 2023?
It was very nice and the students were full of energy and it was a very energetic event which I have seen and I am enjoying the event.
Have the faculty and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Yes, definitely they were very welcoming and we had a very warm welcome here at NIFT Patna and we enjoyed it. The hospitality of NIFT Patna. Thank you.
How have you found the playbook of Converse 2023?
The playbook was very nice, and I would like to congratulate Colonel Rahul for this, and this will help us in organizing the Converge next time, because we are hosting that, and we hope to take further steps on this, and we'll also follow the same format, and we'll try to improvise on that.
Any suggestion for Converse 2024?
No, I would like to seek suggestions from all the participants. So I request your team also to give us a suggestion so that we can implement those suggestions at NIFT Panchkula when we organize the Converge next time.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, sir. So please tell us your name and campus.
My name is Yatindra and I represent the NIFT Bangalore campus.
Oh, wow, sir. So how exciting has been your experience of Converse 2023?
Converge 2023 is a great experience because it's an amalgamation of different cultures. I've never seen Patna before, and not just me, there are a lot of students from other campuses who have not seen what Patna is. It is not about just playing games and things like that. Yeah, they bring in a lot of talent from different places. They show their talent, they show their skill sets, they show their power of fashion and things coming together. But it's a great deal to get together and see what's happening in other places too.
Yes. Have the faculty and administration been welcoming, helpful and cooperative?
Right from the director of NIFT Patna to every faculty, they've been too good. I mean, they have been planning, they've been spending a lot of time and effort and meticulously planning, and that's something which is worth mentioning. It's too good. Thank you, keep it up, Patna team. And the students, fantastic. They're involved in every little detailed aspect of it, and that's taken care of.
How have you found the playbook of Converse 2023?
Yeah, it's a great deal of detailing which has gone in. I mean, there's somebody who's put in their minds and then thought of something like that and then pinned down all the details, and it's just going with that. And thank you for that kind of great detailing. And Team Patna, you always have a special appreciation for that. Yeah.
Okay. Any suggestion for Converse 2024?
Converge will always be a challenge. It is not a joke. Earlier we used to have about a couple of campuses, and doing that was an easy task. But 18 campuses, the 19th one getting into a place, I mean, it's going to be a tough challenge. Yeah, the challenges are there. The pros and cons are there. The pros outweighs the challenges. So I hope Panchkula and the next venue will be upgraded to that, and they will be able to do a better job on this. And any support, we all other campuses are with you guys. Not just that, it is only 2024 Panchkula campus.
What impression of Bihar are you taking away with you?
Great food, great food, great people, and I like the lovely hospitality of the people. Yeah, we never see what we carry as an impression before coming here is completely different. Yeah, we were feared, we had a phobia, but that's now broken, and we're quite open, and people are quite good. Yeah.